everyone, how is it going? This is about how to use magic wand and tones in ibisPaint X. Before you can use magic wand and tones, you must first create a layer and clip it. Layer? Clipping? If you don't know them very well, please refer to the play link in the comment section below. Now here's how to use magic wand and tone. First is magic wand. You must specify your range in magic wand. It is like this. There are a lot of parts which I have to specify because of drawing lines. Next is the tone. First, please press the button with the picture mark in the upper right. Then there is the background and the color tones. I often use these tones as backgrounds because it's bothering to draw backgrounds for me. There are various types of tones, so you can check and actually put one of them on like a try-on. Finally, I choose this. Let's choose the tone in the inner as well as. Here, I will paste the tone in another way. Another tone is in the layer screen at the bottom right. There is a number at the bottom right of the layer screen, and press it to select screen tone at the top. Then you can find there are various tones that you often see in comics. I think ibisPaint is super convenient. One thing to keep in mind here is to reduce the transparency of the layer. Pasting the tone at 100% will make most tones almost black. So, if you set it below 50% or around, you can use it as a good tone. Okay, I'm going to finish the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please give me good. For more information, please subscribe my YouTube channel or watch this ibisPaint related playlist. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!